Today we'll be looking at the radioisotope cobalt-60. We will discuss what it is, the benefits and problems of its use, how it is used, and the justification for its use. Before we start, you need to know what an isotope and radioisotope are. Isotopes are atoms of an element that carry the same number of protons but differ in the amount of neutrons that they carry. A radioisotope is an isotope of an element that gives off radiation, simply a radioactive isotope. Cobalt-60 is not a naturally occurring isotope. It is made using a stable isotope known as cobalt-59. This is done through nuclear activity when one neutron is chemically bonded to cobalt-59, therefore making the artificial radioisotope known as cobalt-60. The symbol for cobalt-60 is a capital C and a small o. Its atomic number is 27 and atomic mass is approximately 58.9. Cobalt-60 produces gamma radiation. Gamma radiation is produced in waves, has no mass, is the fastest type of radiation traveling at the speed of light, and has the highest penetration. Gamma rays have the smallest wavelengths, yet they have the most energy in the electromagnetic spectrum. Gamma rays are produced by radioactive atoms and can also be produced in nuclear explosions. The radioisotope cobalt-60 can be used in both medicine and industry. Cobalt-60 is most commonly used in cancer treatment. It has a half-life of 5.3 years, and this is a sufficient amount of time for the necessary amount of radiation to be emitted into the patient's body. The radiation produced by cobalt-60 has little effect on the tissue or organs in the body, and little damage is done. Cobalt-60 is also used to sterilize medical equipment. In industry, cobalt-60 is used to remove the bacteria in some foods like spices. Little damage is done to the product, and little radiation is left in the product. However, the small amount left in the product can be consumed by a person who eats the food treated with the radioisotope. Excess radiation is dispersed naturally through the body. Some of the benefits of using cobalt-60 are: it is able to kill off cancer cells, it is non-invasive, little damage is done to organs and tissue, it can be used anywhere in the body, it is able to treat tumours, and is one of the most effective forms of cancer treatment. The benefits of using cobalt-60 in industry include: it is safe and is used in completely controlled environments, it does not destroy the product, and it sterilizes the product from bacteria, and little bacteria is left within the product. The problems with the radioisotope include: the radiation that is emitted is harmful to humans, so no matter how long the exposure, it can cause cancer or illness, genetic damage, and unfortunately radiation does not distinguish between good and bad cells, so both good and bad are killed, creating a chemical imbalance in the body. I believe that the benefits of using cobalt-60 outweigh the problems with it. It is a non-invasive form of cancer treatment and can be used anywhere in the body, and it is one of the most effective forms of cancer treatment options. This is why I believe that the use of cobalt-60 is highly beneficial despite the minor problems with it. I hope that you have learned something new about cobalt-60. Thanks for watching.